can see the clavicle is just next to it. Here's the clavicle. From the clavicle, we touch the clavicle with index finger, and below it, with this, we will find the first intercostal space, and the third finger will be touching the second rib. Then over there, going down from there, we will see the second intercostal space. Over here, next to the sternum, this side we will have the aortic valve, and this side we will have the pulmonary valve. We'll check it. We have marked the position with our fingers, and we'll check to confirm. First of all, we'll check if the stethoscope is working fine. Again, confirming the position, taking the space. Cool. Teacher, can you confirm that for me? It's very loud. Yeah, it's very nice.
I'll take mine.
Okay, the same position. Right? Cool. And next to it, just to the right side of sternum, we will have the pulmonary.
Right side aortic.
Aortic.
Yes, I can hear it clearly. Yeah. Since we have found the second intercostal space, then we will find the fourth intercostal space along the parasternal region only. So we found the second intercostal space, below it third intercostal space, and around here fourth intercostal space. Around here we will find the tricuspid. नहीं, first of all tricuspid यहाँ, तुम्हारा mitral यहाँ पे आएगा. First of all, tricuspid would be here around. Very loud noise. Very clear and very loud noise. फिर वो सुनेगा?
Don't do this, please.
And then
Put your stethoscope here.
Absolutely.
Don't share your ears here with